everyone. I very appreciate your participation on our presentation. It's an honor to be in front of you. What we want to introduce is about the Australian fire. To begin with, we're going to talk about the information about the Australian fire. For the Australian fire, has started since June 2019 and is still ongoing. For the current situation, more than 60 fires are burning across Australia. From now, we're going to watch a video that shows the current situation in Australia.
Australia is on fire, and it's bigger than you think. 12.35 million acres of land have been burned by bushfires so far. That's almost twice the size of Belgium, and 3 times more land than the 2018 California fires and Brazil's 2019 Amazon fire combined. Flames have reportedly reached 70 meters high. That's taller than the Sydney Opera House. At least 19 people have been killed and more than 1,400 homes have been destroyed. Residents and tourists have been forced to relocate.
Just get out while we can.
Nearly 500 million animals have died in New South Wales alone. The fires aren't just in one location. They're raging everywhere across the country. So what ignited this deadly crisis? Well, bushfire season is nothing new in Australia, but this summer has been one of the hottest and driest in the country's history. Since September, the combination of drought, unprecedented heat waves, and strong gusty winds has created a recipe for disastrous fire conditions. On top of that, the smoke from bushfires generates its own weather, sparking thunderstorms with lightning and strong winds, which create even more wildfires. Scientists have been predicting such extreme weather for years, warning that bushfires will become even more frequent as climate change worsens. Although the weather has cooled slightly in parts of Australia, authorities say with months of summer left, the worst is yet to come.
As you see, there are many creatures that have been damaged, including various animals and even people. When it comes to animals, 8,000 koalas, 25,000 camels, 100 kangaroos, parrots, and even bats got injured from the fire. Why do you think they couldn't escape from the fire? Many people predict that they were too slow to run away. Also, people got damaged too. Nearly 800 people died, 225 houses got burned, 800,000 hectares got burned. Many people consider why did it happen. Firstly, drought due because of the climate change, erosionists, bushfires, especially wildfires, and even thunder hits a dry tree. These are highly suspected. From now, Chloe will take the part.
Now let us find out more about the demonstration. First of all, the amount of area that got damaged is nearly 100 times equal to that of Seoul, about 1,800 hectograms. Another point is that Australia lost much financially. There is no official yet from the Australian government, but it is estimated that at least it may be 100 billion of Australian dollars. A lack of water to extinguish the fire is also one of the most serious problems. Because of the issue, Australia is using rainwater instead. Lastly, the ecosystem has been destroyed. As a result, Australia's koalas are faced in danger of extinction. Then, what do we need to do for Australia? Firstly, we should pay attention to the problem. In addition, our government should supply more aid with other nations, like medical and financial support. The third aspect we should take part is in various campaigns. Now, I'd like to conclude with a few remarks that this is not just a problem for Australia, but this is something everyone in the world needs to cooperate. Consequently, one little interest can save Australia. Thank you for watching our presentation. Thank you.